Say Happy Canada Day.
Oh yeah, it's got battery mitts.
Happy Canada Day.
I think you can pinpoint the bridge too.
It's Canada Day.
Okay.
Damn, this looks good. On the camera, damn. Ah, someone in the boat, cool.
Okay, how do you stop this? Oh, it's hit by... Okay.
Say Happy Canada Day.
It tells us. And everything.
Look at that. 2 nuts on a bench. Right?
Hi.
Hi.
Don't bother her. Don't.
It's my birthday. I'm 144. You see, watch. I'm an old lady.
This is Canada Day. Right now we're waiting for the fireworks. I have no idea when they're starting, as you can see.
When it gets
Only when it gets dark.
When it gets dark, apparently.
Katie, it's a fireworks start.
Katie.
What?
Please.
When can you see fireworks? Can you see in the middle of the day?
Yeah?
Can you see in the morning?
No?
Can you see in the middle of the day then?
Possibly.
Pinpoint the exact.
Hon,
If someone's
when's
throwing them
fireworks
off.
starting?
Yeah, Rick.
They start in the middle of the day. They start at
Rick's on his Nintendo DS.
because you can see them apparently.
Yeah, I know. Anybody got a story to tell?
Fireworks, dragonflies both fire, breathe fire. Girls don't have bombs.
What?
Tall tales.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh
As everyone knows, these are a number. I don't know. We're crazy.
Head northeast.
Richard's trying to get directions when we're on a boardwalk. We're on a boardwalk and he's trying to get directions.
That's right.
Happy.
Trying to clear the throat.
Jump.
And then these two, any stories over here?
No.
From the nut
I'm
factory?
taking the show over again.
Yeah, from the nut factory.
No. Not from here.
They tried.
Hey,
They tried.
excuse me. You want to hear something?
Yeah?
This is my new lady.
Oh, nice!
Clear the navigation.
Yikes!
Ignore the last part.
It's called edit.
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
We got 3 nuts on the boardwalk too.
I'm sorry, I'm not a nut. I'm the factory. Hello.
In the nut factory. Oh, there's a boat. Cool. Yeah, there's the mall. I'm trying to get the mall.
There's not the balls.
Oh, I heard that too. Well, yes, this video's getting a little crazy. I should end it right now, yeah. So, introduction. We need what the heck? We need a last intro thing. Happy Canada Day. That's all I can think of.
We've had a good time.
And we had a good time. It's all good.